Hello friends, here we have yet another interesting question. So for a, b and c as distinct non-zero real numbers, we need to find the value of a square b plus b square c plus c square for the given equation. Now we have, since a, b and c are cyclic in this equation, that is if we substitute a by b, b by c and c by a, then we get the same equation in rearranged form. So we will use this property later on. For now, we have, by rearranging, a minus b equals 2 by c minus 2 by b, which equals to b minus c by bc. Then we have a minus b divided by b minus c equals to 2 by bc. Similarly, we have for the other two terms, that is, we take these two equations and then these two equations. So we have since a, b and the equation is cyclic in a, b and c, this gives us 1 equals 8 by a square b square c square, or a square b square c square equals 8, and this implies a square b square now notice here that we get two answers, two possible values, that is positive and negative. However, we assume that all of a, b and c are positive, or at least their multiplication is positive. So we only assume the root abc equals 2 root 2. Now for the expression a square b plus b square c plus c square a, we have abc common, and then a by c plus b by a plus c by b. Now we need to find the values of ac, ba and cb. By this equation, we rearrange to get a minus b by b minus c equals 2 by bc, which implies a minus b times c by b minus c equals to 2 into b minus c by b, which implies a minus b times c by 2 equals 1 minus c by b. Since we need to find the value of c by b, we take minus c by b to the LHS and this term to the RHS, which gives 1 minus a minus b times c by 2 equals to c by b. Now, as you may notice here, this term again is redundant on gets removed if we apply cyclicity. So we have summation, which equals to c by b plus b by a plus a by c equals to summation on this term, which is and as you may notice, this gives us, since here we get the terms ac minus bc, and for the other terms, that is for when we substitute a by b by c and c by a, that is we apply the cyclicity once and then twice, then the resulting terms cancel out each other. This gives us abc equals to 2 root 2 and summation c by b equals 3. As you may notice, a square b plus b square c plus c square a can be written as ABC multiplied by summation C by B, which then equals 3 into 2 into 2 or 6 into 2. Thank you. For more such, for other such interesting math courses, you may see the link in the description below.